Good morning. As you can see, I'm back down the Logan River. Okay, so today my target species is going to be flathead. So I'm going to have 2 rods out for flathead, and the other rod I'll just fish for bream using bread. It's going to be a nice day. I'm going to be running the last of the run-in tide. Actually, I'm down. It's probably mid-morning, about 9:30, 10 o'clock now. So it's a late start for me. Anyway, so I'm going to be targeting flathead. Beautiful morning. Let's just see how I go. Wish me luck. It didn't bite like a flathead. It was a little bit more aggressive than usual. Hopefully I don't get many of these. So I'm fishing with bread on this line, so obviously I'm fishing for bream. The water's pretty dirty, and it scares me a little bit that there might be a few bloody catfish about. Like that. So I'll see how I go here, and I might have to just move down to Mark's Rocks. I didn't really want to do that, but at least it's going to be a little bit cleaner down there. Got a bloody crab on here. That bloody big guinea. At least it's a keeper, 28 centimetres. 39 centimetre bream on bread. Oh, another nice fish too. There it is. Nice fish, whatever it is. A bit of weight in this. Get another touch on the other line too. It's a bloody nice bream again, eh? This is a bloody nice bream again. I've never seen bream like this size down here. This is a bloody nice bream again. Maybe I'll lift that. I reckon it could be a 40 centimetre. Well, that is my PB bream, 42.5 centimetres, caught in Logan River. It's not a bad fish. Caught on bread. Jesus. Beautiful rod, Jimmy Cranes. So what is it? Catfish or bream? Just 28 centimetres. It's not 42 centimetres, but it'll do. Well, I'm going to call that a day. You know, flathead fishing in the Logan River. No flathead, but can't complain about that. 42 centimetre, 39 centimetre. I think I'll have them for dinner tonight. Anyway, until next time.